Hello, I want to see you something about the white walls. So maybe you have the same problem that I had. How to clean the white walls to have white walls very white. As you can see here, it is not very good, and I found a method to clean them. I'm going to show you what is the result because I did it already on the right side. As you can see, the white walls came back very white. I did 2 wheels, and I have the 2 other one to do. So I'm going to show you how I did this, and maybe it will help you to have a nice tire with white walls. I'm going to show you my secret. My secret is this. It's something you use on a drill. At first it is used to sand the wood or paint, and I use it to sand the white walls, and it works perfectly. I'm going to show you how I use it. Okay, now I blow some air to clean the tire. Okay, now you can see it's like new. Just I have to go again here, and it will be okay. Okay, so you can see the one I just made, and now I'm going to clean the rear side. It is less dirty than was the front one, so it will be, I think, quicker. Okay, now I finished my tutorials. What do you think about the result? Not bad. Please put your comment about what you think of this technique. I find it's good and I have a good result. Now I'm going to put the cover wheels, and all will be very nice. The car is finished. I put the cover wheels, and as you can see, it's great. I like it very much. Thank you for your watching. Put a comment and tell me what you think about this technique. Goodbye. See you in the next video.